How often can I use glycerin on my face overnight?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be discussing glycerin and its uses in skincare. Specifically, we'll answer a frequently asked question: how often can I use glycerin on my face overnight?
What is glycerin?
Glycerin, also known as glycerol, is a humectant used in a variety of skincare products. It works by attracting water to the skin and locking in moisture. It's great for hydrating and rejuvenating the skin, and it's gentle enough to use on all skin types.
Can you leave glycerin on your face overnight?
Yes, absolutely. Glycerin can be safely used on the skin overnight. It acts as a great moisturizer and can help the skin retain its moisture throughout the night. However, it's always crucial to do a patch test before applying any new product to your face.
How often should I use glycerin on my face overnight?
This will depend on your individual skin type and needs. For most people, using glycerin on their face 2 to 3 times per week can yield wonderful results without causing any skin irritation. However, if you have very dry skin, you might benefit from using it more frequently. On the contrary, if you have oily skin, you may want to use it less frequently to prevent any potential skin congestion. Remember, always listen to your skin's needs and adjust your skincare routine accordingly.
How to use glycerin on your face overnight?
To use glycerin on your face overnight, cleanse your face as you normally would. Then, apply a thin layer of glycerin. You can mix it with a little water or rose water if it feels too sticky. Leave it on overnight, and rinse it off in the morning. Never forget to apply sunscreen the next day, as glycerin can make your skin more sensitive to sun exposure. That's all for today's video about glycerin and its overnight uses. We hope this has been helpful and provided you with some clarity about how often you can use glycerin on your face overnight. Always remember to monitor your skin's reaction and adjust accordingly. Until next time, keep glowing.